Okay, what are we doing, babe?
Well, we don't have a car, so we have to walk up to the Minute Mart so we can maybe find some stuff for breakfast. Otherwise, we're having lunch for breakfast.
And what's for lunch? Sandwiches?
Kielbasa, sandwiches.
Chips?
That's about it.
I haven't fixed my hair yet, but oh well. Look how the sun is just going through it. Hold on, let me step back. Look at that. That is just glorious. See that?
Amazing.
Look at that.
Like an angel.
Wouldn't go that far. Well, we came back from the Minute Mart empty-handed.
Because we were only there for 30 seconds, so we didn't have time to get anything. Minute Mart. You gotta stay the whole minute to get things.
I can't wait for you to see this footage. We're just gonna see what we have in the RV and fix us some breakfast.
Yep. What we got.
What a cruel joke, showing us a restaurant that is closed. So we ended up going home, fixing breakfast, and enjoying it. It was really good. It's Sunday morning and I'm struggling with the upload of episode 4. Thank goodness for coffee. Thank you, baby. Oh, yes.
Breakfast of champions.
Coffee. Finally have the episode loading, and I think we should go for a hike. As you can tell by Steven's reaction, he is totally in for this walk. Now Peeps, on the other hand, yeah, he's excited. Look at them ears flapping. We're not breaking any speed records here.
We already carried Peeps out.
All right, back there is the RV. I guess I should keep better track because I think I just lost Steven. I guess as long as we're on the same trail, we're gonna be good. If not, well, I'll race him to the trailer. This is what I deal with every day. I was taking care of some personal business, and I asked him to keep track if somebody was coming, and this asswipe goes like, hey, how's it going?
That was 5 minutes ago.
And he's still laughing. Okay, now Steven has a full-on friend.
That's right.
We're walking, and it's sitting on top of his head. That is just crazy. After our hike, we went back to the RV and opened up the back patio so TJ, Peeps, and Ruby could kind of roam around, lay in the sun, and enjoy themselves. What do you think, Ruby? Peepers! Talking to Ruby. Hi, Missy. Am I talking to you? See? You can lay down and go lay in the sun. We got 100 subscribers, people. We are giddy. This is just silly. Anyways, thank you.
Thanks for subscribing. Keep watching. Okay, so I pulled a Brenda and I just shot a photo instead of a video.
I said, woohoo! We have 100 subscribers. 102, really.
There, now that's a video. I know that for sure.
After that excitement, it was time to cool off and take the dogs for a walk. Well, take Miss Ruby for a carry. And after all that fun, the next day it was time to get on the phone and get our truck fixed.
tow the vehicle from the dealership to the auto repair facility. They'll get a look at it today and let us know what the ETA is and what's wrong with it. And hopefully we can have both the stability controller and then have them look at the transmissions shifting hard. And we'll see if it's detrimental. If not, we'll be back on the road hopefully soon. I really need more information.
All right, fingers crossed. That is truly one of the best views I've seen in a long time. Woohoo! Thumbs up. Everything's sounding to be good. Oh, what a great feeling. To celebrate, we got in the car and drove to a little town nearby, which had really cool old artifacts, an amazing restaurant with a small gift shop next to it. This butter was to die for. The bread was delicious, and they gave it to us at dinner, where the bread was in a flower pot. So it was fantastic. Back on the road, we got the truck back. We hooked up after work. Well, we hooked up the RV to the truck after work, and we are going to make it to
St. Charles, Illinois.
St. Charles, Illinois. So we found a campsite there, and that's where we're heading. It's according to the GPS 200 miles, so that shouldn't be too bad. Fingers crossed, because now we feel every little might knuckle down the steering wheel. He has been looking out this window for at least the last hour. I mean, look at all the little nose prints on that window. I know, DJ. I'm talking about you. Whew, we made it. Now let's go find out what our camping spot is for this upcoming week. Let's get the pups out and get some food. It is 7:30 and we just made it to St. Charles. What state are we in? I think we're in Missouri. Next morning we had a mobile RV support person come out, lifesaver while you're on the road. As we were driving, we got honked at and somebody was pointing at our roof to come find out that our vent was flapping in the wind. So the RV guy came by, had to climb on this side ladder and fixed our roof for us. So all well. All right, thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for everybody who subscribed to our channel. We really, truly appreciate it. This week, we're gonna keep it short. It's been a crazy couple of weeks with breaking down, getting things fixed, getting stuck, not having transportation. So we're gonna regroup. We're gonna just stay here till next Saturday and just enjoy ourselves, because that's why we went on the road in the first place. Everybody have a great day and thank you for watching.
Shower? You're right in front of the bed.
That's why it smells so nice.